Hi everyone, here we've got LG K42 and let me show you how to show battery percentage on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's tap on the display. As you can see on the third position actually we've got the status bar option, so let's tap on it, and at the very bottom of the list we've got the battery percentage option, which is right now turned off because we've got only the battery icon on the status bar. If you'd like to change it, just tap on the switcher to turn it on. And as you can see right next to the battery icon we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Of course, if you'd like to turn it off, just tap on the switcher again and it immediately disappears, but let me turn it on. So actually that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in your LG K42. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.